What's up, JavaWearers, and welcome to the new Minecraft modding tutorials. And well, they're not new because they're an update from the old Minecraft tutorials of 1.3.2, and here we go from 1.4.5, and hopefully also 1.5 when it's coming out. And I don't think Chap and aka Mojang will make that much changes, but now let's see. So we will start off with the let's just do the Eclipse and MCP because a lot of people need that. So, what you will need for mod is, well, you will need, actually you won't need any programming knowledge, but it's good to have some. So, what you need is Eclipse, which is a program that you can use for Java code. So you just go Eclipse in Google and downloads. And there will be a link of all these stuff, and there will also be a link for the codes in the later tutorials. So here Eclipse, which is loading a lot because of something weird. Okay, now that's way weird. Well, it's not that hard to find around in. You just download Eclipse. Okay, now for the MCP, which is the Minecraft Coder Pack. You just type MCPs, and then you do MCP releases Minecraft Coder Pack, which is something that Notch made in, I can't remember what version, but it's very early for people with programming knowledge so that they could change Minecraft or add new stuff. Because Minecraft is an open source game, which means that they give away the source code, and they do that because it's made of Java code, and Notch wanted that. If you look in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, there's a lot of mods too where you can do cheating, but actually no, Treyarch didn't want it. No, not Treyarch. Activision didn't want them to do it, so they banned everybody who did that. So here you go. You do MCP releases and you choose this one, or choose one of these three, but yeah, choose that one, but please only use this media file if the media filing is not working, but who cares about that. Just download that, and then you will get, no wait, actually let me just, you will get this called MCP 723. Okay, when you download Eclipse, you will get a zip file too, and then in there will be this folder called Eclipse. Just drag it on your desktop or wherever you want it. And also this one, so you should have Eclipse and MCP 723. So what you do now is you make a new folder, and you call it MCP, whatever you want to call. Let me call this tutorial. Tutorial, and you simply do Control A or whatever you want to, drag all this stuff into the folder. Now you can close this down and put it in your trash bin or wherever you want it. Then you open it up and you have all these files. Now what we want to have a look at now is this folder called jars. We need something else in here. What we need is you to get a fresh Minecraft, which this is not. Am I correct? Yeah, this is not a fresh Minecraft. So what you do is you get a new Minecraft, which is kind of easy. Let me just do like this. You don't have to do anything of this. Don't mind it. It just said I have to type my password and name. You download packages. Remember to back your own old Minecraft up if you wish to have your old saves. So you can go to Minecraft now, and what you can do now is that if you look at your bin and resources, you can copy these and paste them in here. Now you need something else because we can't just mod without any API. So what APIs I recommend you to get is mod loader and or Minecraft Forge. But I will do some tutorials in both mod loader and Forge, but I'll start out with the mod loader. So download mod loader, and will be a link in the description. You just choose the mod loader 1.4.5, and you can choose download AdFly or direct. Now when you have that, you can go back to your MCP tutorial jars, go into your bin, open your Minecraft.jar with WinRAR 7-zip or whatever you have. You delete metainf. You drag every class file from modloader into your Minecraft.jar, and then you close them both down. So now you have Minecraft here. Now what you want to do now is you want to hit the decompile, and it will decompile all the class files into Java files so we can edit them. Now I will just parse it, and I will show you how it looks when it's done, so you get all that. Now I am back, guys, and as you can see, it's done, and it will do all this crap, and you can ignore this error because it's just something it gives you, and then press a random button too. Okay, so it's done now, and you will see that you have a lot of new folders, including this folder called Eclipse, which is the same name, funny enough, of this program, which means you can actually use MCP is made so that you can actually use it. You have a lot of other stuff. Now the only files you need to focus on when you're mining is the src and the reop. Well, also the jars a bit, and the Eclipse actually. So 4 folders. It doesn't matter about the temp. Doesn't matter about the runtime, the logs, the lib, the docs, the conf, and the bin. Well, you could also care about the bin, but we don't. We don't have to. We don't, because we're not going to use the start client or the start server. Actually, I forgot to do the thing with the server, so we can do that, but I'll do that in another tutorial. Okay. So what you do now is you can close this down if you want to. You open up your Eclipse. It will give you this Eclipse Juno, and it will not say this, it will say something else, and then you do browse, and you browse to your desktop or wherever your MCP is. Press the MCP, which in my case is MCP trial. You will see all the folders in there. Press the Eclipse one so that it says folder Eclipse, and okay. So now the workspace path should be c:/uses whatever your username is, desktop or where it is. Now the location. In my case it's desktop, MCP tutorial, Eclipse. Hit OK. So it's going to load up the workspace for you, and you are pretty much ready to go, I would say. Yeah, so and you get this program opened. Just maximize it, and you have the client and the server. Nothing in the server, but there is indeed something in the client. Now, something I need to show you about the program is that you can go to client, SRC, you get all these. Now you only want the first one, so what you do, just go back, you go to window, you do open perspective, and you choose the Java, not the JPA, not the resource, not the web, not the debug, but Java. I know it's already on Java EE, but you want the Java. So now you can go back to the client, SRC, net.minecraft.src, the one with the yellow thingy, and here you have all the Minecraft class files made into Java files. Now I'm just show you one of them. Let's go to block. Let's have a look at how the block jukebox works. Well, it's a kind of complicated block, as you can see, because it works like this. That's how it works. Now, as you can see, that's quite complicated, but that's Java code. Now we're gonna make something, well, not as close to this, but we'll make some Java code. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and get ready for the next tutorial where I will show you how to set up the mod underscore file so we are ready for blocks and items and foods and mobs and all that shit. So yeah. Sorry, I paused it there. Yeah, I see you Java viewers in the next tutorial, and bye. Thom out.